blood alcohol concentration. This is a pretty simple calculation, but I want to go over it real quick just so you can get a good idea and some practice with it. Okay, so don't forget blood alcohol concentration is a percentage. So we're looking at how much of your blood is made up of alcohol. And so that has to do with how intoxicated a person is, as you guys all know. So it's a pretty simple calculation. So Marissa is a 120-pound female that went to Beach Bar for 3 hours and drank 5 drinks. What's her blood alcohol content? So we can go over to our handy dandy chart. You will never need to memorize this chart, maybe for yourself. If you want to find your weight, this might be helpful, but for any test questions, I would never ask you to ever memorize this chart. But she's a 120-pound female, so we go to the women or men's. Go to the women's. We find 120 pounds. The body weight is up here, 120 pounds, and she had 5 drinks, okay? So 120-pound female, we go down to the number of drinks here, 5, and we go over to 120 pounds, and so that means her blood alcohol content is 0.19%. So I'm going to write that down. 0.19% is 5 drinks, 120-pound female. But then note this little bit on the bottom, and it's the same for both males and females. Subtract 0.015 for each hour after drinking. So it said that Marissa is 120 pounds. She went to Beach Bar for 3 hours. So that's 3 hours. So we're going to take 0.19 and we're going to subtract 0.015. Now make sure you have that 0 in there. It's not 0.15, 0.015, okay? So if we have 0.19 minus 0.015, that leaves us at 0.175. 0.175%. Still too much to drink and drive, right? So that's after 1 single hour. So then we're going to do the exact same thing again. I'm just going to take this same number and then subtract 0.015 again. And that gives us 0.015. That gives us 0.16%. Still too much, right? So now we're going to take the exact same number and do the exact same thing again. All right, minus 0.015 equals, there's 2 minuses there, sorry. Minus 0.015, that gives us 0.145%. Is that higher or lower than 0.08? Higher, so that means no drinking and driving for Marissa. She is too intoxicated. She can get arrested for this, okay? So notice we just take the original number that we find on our chart. No need to memorize, just find the number on the chart. Then we subtract 0.015 for each hour. So after 1 hour, after 2 hours, after 3 hours, this is our final number, and we know that it's above 0.08. Happy calculating!